Hello everyone, so if you want to enable a mobile hotspot and share your secure data on your Apple iPhone 12 Pro, first of all open up your settings. Now you gotta find your personal hotspot option, tap on it, and here you can adjust it. So first of all, you can enable maximize compatibility, so internet performance may be reduced for devices connected to hotspot when turned on. The next thing we gotta do is to set up a password. It will be generated automatically. However, I recommend you to set up your custom one. Press done. And now, as a final and the main question, how do you enable it? Simply tap on the switch near allow others to join, and now your hotspot will be enabled. There is a quicker way to do that when it's already set up. Simply swipe up from the very top of your screen from the right side. Find this box, right? Tap on it, and here you'll find your personal hotspot. So to turn it off, tap on it. To turn it on, tap on it as well. So when it glows with the green color, it means it's on. So just like that. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.